Hey, what's going on, guys? Steve here, Rake and Profit over at rakeandprofit.com, coming back to you with another video. And this is going to be somewhat of a tough video to make because this is something that, I'm quite disappointed in myself when it comes to, talking about this, because this is something that, I've overcome over the last couple of years, and I felt like I had really beaten it, and I'm struggling with this right now, and that's weight gain and health. In terms of running my business. And one of the things I've realized lately, and I'm not sure if anybody else can relate, you get so consumed with business and you're on this high of growing your business and learning new strategies and networking. You start to use, poor eating habits, poor sleep habits, over consuming caffeine, overeating food, weight gain. You just use that as an excuse. I'm working on my business, I'm grinding, I don't have time. It's all BS. It's all just limiting beliefs. And, I've gained, right now I'm at about 210 pounds. Can't believe it. 210 pounds. Today's August, I think 28th, 2022. And I remember, when I was in Miami, I'd gotten down to about 175 pounds. And, I was running all the time. I was really, I had my struggles, but, I felt good. I was exercising regularly, which I still do now, which I'll talk about. But now it's just like, I'm just working so hard and I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. It's not like, how some people work and they're just like, they hate their life and they're miserable. I love it. It's like, for me, it's not even work at times. It's, it's fun. I love it. I love the act of building my business, of growing my business, of sharing with you guys. But I've put on over 30 pounds now. And I just want to share this with you guys. Maybe some of you guys are going through this where you're gaining a lot of weight and, you're using business as an excuse and time as an excuse. And I want to be the first person to say, guys, we've got to change that. There's nothing more important than our health, really. I mean, you can only enjoy your life to the quality of your health. The quality of your health is the quality of your life, because you could have all the money in the world, you could be growing your business, but what does it matter if you're like, lately it's like, I'm not even kidding, like my clothes aren't fitting as well. Like, I'm still exercising like 4 to 5 times a week, hitting weights. Like, I'm as strong as I've ever been right now, but I just feel like crap. Like, I wake up in the morning feeling tired. I've been just drinking way too much alcohol, and it's not even like I'm running away from problems. I think for me, it's the struggle I'm dealing with is maybe just like, I need to find better strategies to relax at nighttime, to be able to, cut off work, get off the phone, cut off a time where I'm not posting on social media. I'm not, communicating with my team. I'm not going through courses and learning strategies to grow my business, because the thing is, it's like, it's so freaking exciting to grow a business. I don't know, maybe it's just me, maybe I'm weird. I love it. I absolutely love it. And it's so hard, I think, for me to turn off that part of my brain that, having a couple glasses of wine, having a couple beers, and for me, that always leads to like poor eating and overeating. I love, eating out, trying different foods, Uber Eats is probably going to be the death of me. And it's just like, it's not worth it. It's really not worth it at the end of the day. Leave a comment if any of you guys are struggling with this, but I've really transformed my body over the years, and I kept it off, and I find myself kind of going down a downward spiral right now, especially with eating and, even with alcohol a little bit. I don't know if any of you guys struggle with this, but I just want to put this out there. I didn't really have a main goal of this video, but maybe just to put it out there, hold myself accountable, just share it with the world, and maybe you guys have some tips and advice. But nothing feels as good as being healthy. I used to be 240 pounds, so I'm not back at that point, but I know what it's like to feel healthy. And there's a lot of resellers who I don't think they've ever felt healthy, to be honest. And I'm not trying to be mean, or I'm not trying to put anybody down. The reseller community as a whole, you look at a lot of the resellers on YouTube, and, I've gone to a lot of reseller events. A lot of us are in poor health, and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just the constant working, the stress of the business, or again, we're all just using it as an excuse. But the point I'm trying to make is, I know what it feels like to be thin. I know what it feels like to be fit. I know what it feels like to be drinking plenty of water every day, to eating foods that fuel me, to be drinking green juices, to be exercising regularly, to fit into clothes, to have that energy and that just, you look in the mirror and you're proud of yourself. Yeah, I didn't look like a bodybuilder. I didn't look like, I'm going to step on stage, but I know what it feels like. And, I just want to put it out there, guys. We need to spend time just thinking about health, mental health, physical health, taking time to realize, if we're dead or if we feel like crap, what does it matter how much we grow our eBay or Amazon business? What does it matter, how many followers we have and all this nonsense? So I'm really going to make a commitment to you guys to get my health back in line, to take time to slow down and unwind at night, to separate my business and personal life, to really put more effort into taking care of my mental health, my physical health, taking time to reflect upon the foods that I eat and how they make me feel, and not using not using food to be a fool, not using food as a way to cope with emotions, but to use it as fuel and to treat myself, once a week or so. I don't think we should be so strict to the point where you don't enjoy food and you don't enjoy your life, because we only do have one life, right? But at the end of the day, I think it's the quality of our life that matters most. So I'm putting it out there, guys. I'm going to start putting more time and effort into my health, because I'm just not feeling great right now. And I know what it's like to feel good. And I want to get back to that point. And I know for me, and I know for you, for us to be the best version of ourselves, we've got to be healthy, right? We've got to stop lying to ourselves, saying it's work, it's stress, it's this and that. We just got to start taking the right steps in the right direction to change our health, to improve our health. And it's going to help everything in our life, our business, our relationships, our spirituality, our connection to the world we live in, to the people in our life, to our followers, to our friends, so on and so forth. So hopefully this message helped. Again, I don't know if there was much value in this video, but I'm just sharing. I'm going through challenges myself, and it's not always rainbows and sunshine like a lot of people show online, because we show our best foot forward, right? But I'm going through some challenges, and I'm going to turn around. I promise you guys, I'm going to get fit, I'm going to get healthy, and I'm going to start taking that step forward. So with that being said, guys, much love. Thanks for watching.